Hi, welcome back.
Thanks, Shiv. Thank you.
Adya.
Okay. So what happened? Morning prayers?
No, no. Like my brother is sitting beside and
Okay.
doing something in his phone. And
Okay. Fine. Great. So, you live in a joint family or is it like a nuclear family?
we live in a joint family, but
Mm-hmm.
uh, he he came yesterday for
Mm-hmm.
Ganesh Chaturthi.
Oh, okay, okay. That's
Do you
nice.
celebrate it?
Yes, yes, we did celebrate it. Not on a big scale this time, but there was just small puja at home, and that's it. What about you?
Yeah, we celebrated
Mhm.
in small scale in our home, but we
Okay.
went to our neighbor's home for bigger
Mhm.
celebration.
Oh, okay. Neighbor's home.
Yeah,
Okay, that's cool. So, what about all the treats? When did you guys have the feast? For the lunch or for the dinner?
a lunch.
Lunch. Okay, cool. So do you help with the cooking part, or do you help with bringing all the things so that others can cook?
So when I used to go to my neighbor's home, I used to help with serving serving food.
Serving. Yeah.
That's
Okay,
what
that's
commonly everyone do in temple and
yeah. That's what everyone does. Okay, does in temples.
everyone does commonly.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. I miss it, okay? I miss it because every year we used to visit Udupi and all these places and all the temples and the temple feast and all that. But from the last 2 years, I mean, last 1.5 years now, right? So we've been missing out on all this. So yeah, I can't wait to get back. I can't wait for things to get back to normal. Okay, sorry about that.
No, no, that's completely okay.
Yeah,
We don't
okay.
live in some super closed place, right? We all live in natural places,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
that
yeah.
happens.
True, true. That happens. So there are many kids in this neighborhood, okay? So they're always up to something. In the afternoon, in the afternoon, even if it's blazing hot, they're playing cricket outside and they're creating so much noise, but it's okay. Like, we are used to it now.
Yeah, that's fun. If we have many friends and we
Yeah,
can play games outside.
yeah, true. And what about you? Did you have a lot of friends in your neighborhood, kids of your same age?
I used to. Right
Mm-hmm.
now, they are focusing on placements.
Correct. So final year, like third year engineering.
No, no, fourth year engineering. I am about to enter, and placement has started.
Yeah. So because placement starts from fifth or sixth semester, right? Normally from fifth semester end, it used to start for us. So
For
yeah.
a sixth
Okay.
semester end, it's started.
Okay. But you have completely different plans, na? You don't want to get into this herd mentality.
Yeah. Yesterday when I went to Ganesh Chaturthi, someone asked me uh, uh, placement started, right? What are you doing right now? That kind of, and that's why I avoid going to places. And but sometimes I cannot avoid it, and I can't
Okay.
even answer them what to answer. They won't understand anyway.
Okay. Maybe you can try. You can just tell them. You can show them your all the work that you're doing, and you can tell them, okay, this is what I want to do. That's all.
Yeah, like they won't understand if I say I will be a YouTuber. Even that they won't understand that easy. And sometimes I also think that it's not worth to explain everyone.
Mm-hmm. Okay. It's not worth explaining it to everyone. Yeah. It's not
It's
worth
not worth it
explaining it.
to it's not worth explaining it to everyone.
Yeah. Yeah. True. Because even in our country, especially, internet, making a career on the internet, it's still not seen as a viable option. It's still not seen as something that is practical or logical. So most of the people feel like it is only for entertainment or for time pass, right?
Because
So
people use it for that purpose.
true.
Most people at
Yeah. Yeah. Correct. So yeah, it's going to take a little more time, I guess, maybe a couple of more years for people to, view it a little differently.
Yeah,
But
it is viewed differently in other parts, not in India.
hmm, yeah, not in India. I think initially, even abroad, I think people were not taking it very seriously. But now I think there's been a shift in the mindset, all over the world, that you can make a life out of this as well. So yeah,
Yeah,
hopefully,
but
fingers crossed.
it's great for them because
You went on mute.
no, I put it on mute because there is some kind of puja going on now.
Oh,
So
that's okay, no
maybe the
problem.
sound is yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I totally forgot what I was about to tell you.
No problem. We were discussing about, the English internet, like having a career on the internet
Yeah,
in,
like foreigners already know, right? Like what they have to do in their early age,
yeah,
and that's how they will definitely figure out internet because internet plays a crucial role in their journey.
yeah, true.
And that's why I think Americans discovered it faster than us. Like there are more opportunities on the internet than in reality.
Yeah. Because I think now it is a boom. It is booming, right? Now people are viewing it with a different mindset and all that. So in a couple of years, I think there's going to be very stiff competition here also. So
Yeah,
better to make it
but
more
at
early.
least right now the competition is low because still people haven't accepted it completely.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. True. That's like still a novel idea, right? Okay, fine. And what do you feel about charity or social work? So, do you think that all these big organizations should indulge in charity?
So charity is something which makes us
Mhm.
human after all.
Yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
I think charity is required, and even I
Mm-hmm.
have a goal that before I uh, pass out of this earth, I have to do some kind of charity work to make a mark as well, and
Okay.
to inspire others to do some kind of charity work.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's nice. And when you're doing social work, what do you think is better? Donating things monetarily, like giving money, or by giving them proper equipments that they need directly instead of giving money? So which one do you prefer?
So if you give money, if it is going for the right cause, then it's fine. But it's hard to track that whether it is being used for the right things. So if it is
Mhm.
possible, you can directly give them what they want instead of giving them anything monetary.
Okay, fine. That's true. Because not everyone is authentic, right? Not everyone, every person who comes asking for help for charity, they might use it for their own benefits. Even popular celebs have been caught doing that. So they take money from their fans and then they give only, small percent of it to the charity, rest they keep it to themselves. So
Yeah.
yeah, I think,
And
I agree.
nowadays, even Google Ads is showing some kind of like we are in difficulty. Those kind of ads.
Okay, as in I didn't understand.
So
What
in
are we
YouTube,
saying?
when you are watching some videos, it will
Yeah.
keep on showing you that some
Mhm.
ads related to
Mhm.
we have to contribute.
Okay. Yes. 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 It happens if you already contributed to some organization before.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. If you made one donation, then any page that you open on Google, you'll have that ad. If you open Instagram,
Wow.
you'll have that
I
ad.
didn't think of it because 2 years back,
Mhm.
I think I donated 50 rupees for one Udaya Foundation, I guess. So I think because of that data, Google is still eating my head.
Show such heartbreaking pictures, right? We feel
Yeah,
so.
I am watching there something interesting or something that I am taking notes with, and they are showing me some heartbreaking pictures and distracting me totally.
Yes. Yes. So I don't know how to deal with it. Okay, I've done everything. I've changed my ad settings. I've changed, you name it, I've done it. But still, somehow these ads manage to sneak in my, social media profiles. I don't know how, but yeah.
No, I think there is no fix for that. there is one fix for YouTube, but not for other social media. For
Hmm.
YouTube, they want us to buy their premium. That's all.
Okay, so to go ad free.
Yeah.
No, I'm not going to do that. I'm okay with that.
Even I am not gonna do that because some
Yeah.
ads are beneficial.
Yes, same. It's very useful because recently I saw an ad. Okay, it was regarding some doodling app. Okay, you can doodle things easily to make your videos interesting. If you're narrating an idea, right? If you're narrating,
Doodle.
okay, doodling, yeah. If you have to do this thing called draw my childhood, it was a trend earlier. Like people used to draw like where they're from, where were they born. So if you have to doodle so that people hear your voice and they see the graphics, okay, what you're doing. I think that's quite interesting. So I made a note of that. And yeah, some ads are very interesting. Okay. And there is one thing, okay, it's very conflicted. Some people feel that if you're doing any charity, you shouldn't shoot it and put it on social media. And others feel like it's okay. If you do it, then it acts as a motivation, to propel other people to do it too. So what do you feel? Is it okay to shoot it or you should keep it private?
So if your intention is just to shoot video
Hmm.
and that's why you are doing charity, you shouldn't do that. But if your first primary instinct is doing charity, and then
Hmm.
you also plan to record video or something, that's fine. Even in future I will be like doing all kind of recording stuff, because
Hmm.
one thing is I want to document my journey in my videos, and the other
Hmm.
thing is I can inspire many people.
Hmm. Okay, okay, yeah. That sounds nice. That's good. And one thing that I've seen these days is that if someone is doing charity, right, they make sure the receiver's face is blurred, so that the person who's receiving it, they blur their face. So that is also one alternative. Yeah. Okay, that's true. And do you think that jail time should be replaced with community service? Do you think criminals should be made to do social service?
uh, I think they are already being
Mm-hmm.
they're already are doing that inside jail. I think they have to do some kind of works
Hmm.
which are related to police department and some other social works in
Yeah.
the watch of police.
Yeah. Hmm.
So
True.
apart from that, I think whoever are like some massive criminals, like some very bad criminals, they should be like killed immediately. They shouldn't, like, whoever don't deserve a second chance, they should be
Mhm.
killed immediately, because they will be in future, they will be left out because of bail and stuff.
Yeah. Okay. So you can say the better word for that would be death penalty. Okay, not killed. You can say they need to be, sentenced to a death penalty. So that is the legal term.
Okay, they should be sentenced to death penalties.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Because some people, even after getting so many chances, they just don't mend their ways, right? They're just the same. They keep doing the same thing again and again. So yeah. Okay. And so okay, so for some people it's okay. For some criminals like petty thieves and all, it's okay. Make them do community service. But for hardcore criminals, you don't want them to be left out.
Yeah.
That's very practical. To be honest, that's great. Okay. And do you think all the kids, who are in school, do you think that volunteering for such organizations, getting into charity, these things should be made mandatory in school?
For us, it was mandatory. Uh,
Oh,
okay, not mandatory. It was in a part of NCC, and I was in there, so it was mandatory for me. Oh,
okay,
not even a
okay.
NCC. It's Scout and Guides. Sorry.
Scouts and Guides. Okay, when I was in Guides.
So there, it was mandatory to do
Mhm,
some charity work.
mhm.
I think it is mandatory because it teaches you how to be human, and it also teaches you how to work for free.
How to work for free. Okay,
Because
okay, yeah.
nowadays I've been listening to a lot of people who are saying that
Mhm.
I will never work for free, or free internships are like worst, because they have some kind of like worst experience. They are like judging all the internships as bad.
Hmm. But if you think of it, right, most of these days, free internship, most people don't prefer it because these companies make the students do so much work and they don't give them anything. And they say like you're getting experience, that word they use, you're getting
No,
experience.
if we go approach the company for free
Mhm.
internship. In my case, it was that
Okay.
I approached the company for free internship because I just wanted an opportunity to work with them.
Okay, okay. So it was your intention, like you wanted it voluntarily and you
Yeah.
went to them. Okay, fine, got it. That's nice. And is there any social cause that you believe in, Shiv? That if given a chance, you would want to contribute towards that a lot?
Like I can only contribute in the area
Mhm.
where I have some knowledge because I will understand how to make it better or something. So
Mhm.
for me, it would be online education
Okay.
where I can give some right education guidance for people of my age, students of my age, or even below the age, and help them to choose their career or whatever they want to be in life at an earlier age.
Okay, fine. So you like a career counselor.
Yeah, also career counselor and some kind of resources that should be available for them in a
Mhm.
click of a button in any one place. And that's why I got a idea of phoneschool.in, and I have purchased that domain, but still haven't worked on that.
Okay, all in good time. Whenever you get time, I'm sure you're going to do it.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
So you want to mentor other children also. I wouldn't say career counselor. You want to mentor them. You want to give them all the resources. So,
Yeah, give them a roadmap, and all of this I want to do it for free. And of course, I will figure out some other ways to like monetize that.
okay, maybe you can place ads on that.
Yeah, I
On
can
the,
say ads,
yeah,
but ads won't make you that much money uh, to like manage a big company.
yeah, okay. Yes, but when you're doing social work, then it becomes challenging. Let's see how you're going to figure it out. That would be interesting to see.